I wish it every day. The logs on the fire fill me with desire to see you and to say that I wish you a Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas time.
Happy New Year to I just one wish on this Christmas Eve.
On this Christmas Eve.
I wish I were with you.
Hola ie, o kamahao, maluhia, malamalama, moe makua hile Christmas and all through the holly, greedy and staring, oh molly molly, Papa is mama and mama is her moo. Greetings like Connie, hey mahalo, sister gather flowers for a lay, brother watch the emu all through the day. Soon the music boys began to play, better old and new of Hawaii. Tables were loaded, plenty of cow, beef and salmon and steaming halal. We ate and talked stories until we were pow. It was really my kai at the Christmas luau. Sister got flowers for a lay, brother watched the emu all through the day. Soon the music boys began to play, Meleo and you of Hawaii. Tables were loaded with plenty of cow, oh beef and salmon, steaming hot lao. We ate and talked stories until we were pow. It was really my kai at the Christmas luau. It was really my kai at the Christmas luau. The right time, it's the right time to rock the night away. Jingle bell time is a swell time to go riding in a one-horse sleigh. To go riding in a one-horse sleigh. Well, giddy up, jingle horse, pick up your feet, jingle around the town. Mix and a mingle and a jingle bell beat. That's the jingle bell. Well, that's the jingle bell. That's the jingle bell. Jingle, jingle, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, what fun to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. That's pretty smooth, huh? Pretty smooth.